My name is Devki and you're watching Dee's Planet. Today's video is going to be part of the series where I will talk about common products which are found in each of our homes, but we didn't know that they were going to end up at a landfill. Did you know products which cannot be recycled or products which are rejects at a waste collection unit usually end up at landfills? So as responsible consumers, our focus should be to send as little waste as possible to these landfills. The product we are going to discuss today is this, the Humble Plastic Toothbrush. A plastic toothbrush is made up of different materials. The handle is usually a kind of plastic, while the bristles are made of nylon. The plastic toothbrush comes in a packaging which is made up of some plastic and paper. Individually, all these materials are actually recyclable. When this plastic toothbrush is going to reach a waste collection center, nobody has the time to separate out these two materials, and hence this ends up at a landfill. Now, many of you may wonder, what's the big deal about sending a small toothbrush to the landfill? Consider this. We change our toothbrush every 3 months or so, and we in India already are a population of more than 1 billion people. Think of the massive amount of toothbrush waste that we are generating in just a year. First solution is replace. Since a plastic toothbrush cannot be recycled, replace it with something which is more sustainable. Replace your plastic toothbrush with this, a bamboo toothbrush. Now don't please throw away all the plastic toothbrushes in your home, even the ones which are in perfect condition, and replace them overnight with a bamboo toothbrush. Because if you do so, you will lose the purpose. Go ahead and use those plastic toothbrushes which you're currently using till as long as you can. And please make your next toothbrush purchase a sustainable one. Now, a bamboo toothbrush has a bamboo handle which can be composted, or you can add it to your wet waste because this is 100% biodegradable. It still has bristles which are made of nylon. So you will have to use pliers to pluck out these bristles and discard them in your dry waste. The only disadvantage with a bamboo toothbrush is that it develops fungus, especially on the handle, in the rainy season. So you should always try to keep your bamboo toothbrush dry when you're storing it, or you can even apply a coat of coconut oil to keep the fungus away. I will be providing a link to buying bamboo toothbrushes in the description box below, so do remember to check it out. The second solution is repurpose. Instead of throwing away an old plastic toothbrush, find ways to repurpose it so that it's still usable around the house. For example, you can use an old plastic toothbrush to scrub the surface of a potato to remove off all the dirt, especially if you're planning to use the potato with its skin on in your cooking. Use an old toothbrush to do some painting, or you can even use an old toothbrush to wash the sink, especially to reach those corners which are difficult to reach. So basically, get creative or search the internet. Third solution is reduce. Now, I've seen a lot of people throwing away a perfect toothbrush just because a single bristle was slightly bent. This is the result of all those commercials which make us believe we need to have a perfect looking toothbrush at all times. But we need to understand their hidden agenda is to make us buy more. So don't fall prey to these commercial tactics. A toothbrush with a little bristle bent here or there is still pretty much usable. Please try to elongate the use of your plastic toothbrush as much as possible. The fourth and final solution is refuse. A small disclaimer, this solution is not meant for everyone, and I think it's the most difficult one to implement, but it is also the most sustainable solution. So the solution is to refuse any kind of toothbrush and start using mango leaves or guava leaves or neem twigs to brush your teeth, just like how our old ancestors did. Or you can even use your index finger. So that's it, guys. I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for the 500 subscribers. Please continue showering your love and support on these planets. I promise to come up with more useful content, and together we will make a difference. Thank you very much for your time, and until next time, bye-bye.